we should definitely discuss which areas of our wellness we are working to put into balance. Jonathan and I do this using an incredibly powerful tool called the Wheel of Life. And in this lecture, we're going to show you how it works. For the sake of discussion, let's assume that most of us live lives filled with the following 8 elements: social, romantic, financial, productive, spiritual, physical, intellectual, and leisure. All of the things that matter most to us in life fit into these 8 categories in one way or another.
These are represented on a framework that we call the Wheel of Life. It's a circle with 8 sections to represent how satisfied or successful you feel you are with each of the different aspects. What's interesting about the Wheel of Life isn't just that it's a visual representation and reminder of what's working and what's not, although that is definitely a major benefit. But the real power of the Wheel of Life is that it's a wheel. You see, so many people cope with dissatisfaction in one aspect of their lives by overcompensating in another. This leads to the types of people who work 120 hours a week and achieve incredible financial success, but yet have no family life to speak of. Or on the other side of the spectrum, there are the types of people who are so wrapped up in things like health, volunteering, and friendships that they neglect to take responsibility for their financial or professional lives, living in the constant stress of debt. As you can probably guess, this is no way to create a meaningful life full of satisfaction. If, however, you instead focus on creating a well-rounded wheel, no matter what the size is, you're much more likely to find happiness and satisfaction. After all, a wheel only moves you forward if it is in fact round. In this sense, it's actually much better to have a Wheel of Life full of 4s than one with a few 10s and a few 2s. Plus, this level of balance creates a snowball effect. And that accelerates and improves every aspect of your life as you become more satisfied and begin to thrive.
Soon, we're even going to learn some more advanced strategies for improving multiple aspects of our lives all at once, and why this can be more powerful than any one single effort by itself. But at first, we're going to explain how you can use the Wheel of Life going forward in your day-to-day life as a powerful tool for improving the quality of your own life.